Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News. Ledger addresses concerns of XRP users, funds remain safe. According to Ledger support, some customers are experiencing issues sending XRP through the Ledger Live mobile application. Ledger, a leading brand of crypto hardware wallets, recently called attention to an issue faced by its customers when dealing with XRP. According to a recent tweet, the official Ledger support account acknowledged customers having issues setting up XRP accounts or sending XRP through the Ledger Live mobile application. The company assured customers that the issues faced pose no threat to their assets, as their funds remain secure. Ledger urged customers to upgrade their mobile apps to the latest update, v.3.20.1. However, users have pointed out that the latest update is the cause of the recent issues. Notably, when users attempt to add an XRP account to their Ledger Live mobile application or carry out XRP transactions on the app, they experience an error code that reads, API HTTP 418. Numerous users have lodged complaints of the report, but noted that they have not received any favorable response from Ledger. Meanwhile, Ledger has asked customers to use the Ledger Live desktop application to view and manage their XRP if the issues with the mobile app persist. The platform implied that it does not have a complete idea of what caused the 418 error but will continue providing more information to the public as investigations progress. As a non-standard code created by the Hypertext Coffee Pot Control Protocol, HTTP, HTTP 418 was introduced as a humorous code. The code typically pops up when the server a user is trying to communicate with is not taking the request seriously or does not support the request the user is making. Ledger assures security of XRP assets. As earlier highlighted, Ledger assured users that their XRP assets are safe. This is likely because the Ledger Live mobile application faces the error and does not really contain investors' assets. The funds and keys are securely stored on the offline hardware wallets while the mobile app is used to manage them. Amid a slew of hacks within the crypto scene, industry players have championed the use of hardware wallets like the ones provided by Ledger, which have proven to be perfect hedges against attacks. CertiK recently disclosed that $103.6 million was lost to crypto hacks and scams last month alone. While Ledger has never lost assets due to a hack, the platform did experience a security breach in July 2020 that affected over 270,000 customers. The attackers dumped the personal data of the affected customers in December of that year. Ledger confirmed that the data was from its e-commerce database and assured users' assets were safe. XRP-friendly lawyer says Ripple may consider new settlement terms. As the Ripple SEC lawsuit continues to make headlines, John Deaton, a lawyer closely following the case, suggests that Ripple may consider new settlement terms based on the outcome of the ongoing litigation. The lawyer, known for his XRP-friendly stance, took to Twitter to discuss various scenarios that could impact Ripple's decision to settle or not. The discussion comes amid recent rumors of an undisclosed meeting between Ripple and the SEC, which have since been debunked by a Fox Business reporter. The lawyer pointed out that the terms of a potential settlement would depend on the specifics of the court's ruling. Key considerations include whether major crypto exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken would immediately relist XRP or wait for a possible appeal by the SEC, and whether Ripple partner Bank of America would feel comfortable with the decision or wait to see if Judge Torres' ruling gets overturned in the event of an SEC appeal. He emphasized that the SEC could file a notice of appeal and withdraw it later, leaving room for further negotiation. The XRP-friendly lawyer also mentioned a hypothetical situation in which the SEC would agree not to appeal if Ripple paid a $50 million settlement and received assurance that future sales of XRP would not be considered securities. In this case, he believes that Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse would be quick to sign off on the settlement, as it would provide certainty and immediate return of liquidity to the U.S. market. However, if Judge Torres' decision is in Ripple's favor and restores liquidity to the U.S. market without causing businesses to worry about SEC repercussions, Ripple may be more inclined to forego a settlement. Ripple's strategic response to potential outcomes will undoubtedly impact the future of XRP and its relationship with U.S. regulators. Meanwhile, the crypto community remains vigilant as it follows developments in the Ripple SEC legal battle. Price prediction. XRP price today is $0.461522 with a 24-hour trading volume of $2.66 billion, market cap of $23.20 billion, and market dominance of 1.99%. The XRP price decreased -0.81% in the last 24 hours. XRP price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from May 2, 2023 at 14:18, the general XRP price prediction sentiment is bearish, with 11 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 18 signaling bearish signals. XRP price prediction was last updated on May 2, 2023 at 15:18. XRP key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $0.464673, XRP has support levels of $0.455914, $0.446944, and the strongest at $0.438185. Similarly, XRP resistance levels are at $0.473643, $0.482402, and $0.491372. XRP reached its highest price on January 4, 2018 when it was trading at its all-time high of $3.92, while XRP's lowest price was recorded on July 7, 2014 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.002802. The lowest price since its ADH was $0.113268, cycle low. The highest XRP price since the last cycle low was $1.977930, cycle high. The XRP price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 55, greed. XRP's current circulating supply is 50.26 BXRP out of max supply of 100.00 BXRP. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 8.94%, meaning 4.13 BXRP were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, XRP is currently ranked number 4 in the Layer 1 sector. XRP is currently trading above the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling buy for the last 42 days, since March 21, 2023. The price of XRP is currently above the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling buy for the last 1 days, since April 30, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 130 days ago, on December 23, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on April 3, 2023, which was 29 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, XRP's 200-day SMA will drop in the next month and will hit $0.416825 by June 1, 2023. XRP's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $0.450865 by June 1, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 45.25, which indicates that the XRP market is in a neutral position. According to our current XRP price prediction, the value of XRP is predicted to drop by -3.09% and reach $0.447614 by May 7, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 55, greed. XRP recorded 14/30ths, 47%, green days with 4.45% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our XRP forecast, it's now a bad time to buy XRP. Comparing XRP against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the XRP price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the XRP price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, XRP price prediction for year 2026 is $9.05 if it follows Facebook growth. In case XRP would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $1.037854. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and will do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.